installer, this screen was minimized, so I'm gonna go there. So just make sure that you always select the maximum mode out here. If you are not going to select that, then you are in problem, because in standard there are some issues, so it's better to go with the maximum mode. I'm gonna go with the maximum installation, and make sure you do not change the path out here. I mean, no, it's tempting to make sure that you install in some separate gaming partition that you have created, but this is not, this is only 500 MB, so you can have it anywhere. 500 MB was a big thing at that time, but not at this time. So I'm gonna press next, and to install it now. So let's wait for the installation. As you can see that everything is old setup out here. You can just feel the oldness of this game by the setup that they have used it and everything, but still you can see the developers brilliance that still we are able to run this game. Now this is known as something known as robustness, compatibility, whatever blah blah you have learned in IT. If you are a IT person, this is a great example of that, even running besides the OS that it was not designed for. So let's finish the installation. It's getting on, it's getting on. %85. I'm gonna checking out everything. Setup is running fine. So I don't want to read help file now. I don't want to have a keyboard control now. Now this is a standard message that you are gonna see each and every time you're gonna play this game. -1633 megahertz. This is below your blah blah expectations, specification, whatever the crap is. Just always make sure you press OK, because at that time they never imagined to go up to such high speeds, so it's going above the threshold. So make sure you do not run game now. Just quit it now. Just click on here. If you have accidentally closed it, then you can go it again in my computer. Just go in that drive, just click on autorun.exe. Make sure you install via this only. So next step is to install your OS patch, whichever patch you are in. Please note that Windows XP, Windows 7 is having the same patch, so I'm gonna go with Windows XP patch because there is no Windows 7 patch, so I'm gonna go with that. Now patch is installed. It's a very small pop-up screen that is show. Third step is optional, but I would recommend you to do that. I'm gonna have the team editor patch, which is not working out here, but I guess it's okay to have it installed because it's a convention that install all of the things I have also mentioned it in tutorial. And if you can have Windows XP sometime in future on some another partition, then you can go with that editor as well, because it's working very well in Windows XP. I'm gonna edit the field editor. Install 2008 ODI kits. Just click and just leave it. It will just process a little bit and it will come back. Just be patient. As you can see, it's getting installed in the backend. So all the kits are being installed. So these are the three optional packs that I have included in it, and soon you can see it. And please note that all these things will work only if you have made the default installation. So now you exit the CD. Make sure that the virtual CD is always inserted while you are using this game or ever want to play this game, because this game actually requires always virtual CD to be inserted as in this form, as computer has to get realized that this is the legal game or something like that. So just make sure that it is always inserted. Now I'm gonna close each and every window. I'm gonna go there in all programs. I'm gonna search for the legacy codemasters. Where is this? There it is. I'm gonna go there. So it's now gonna start. Now there are few things that there are some workaround drivers regarding the sound card. If you are not able to hear the sound card, or if the player freezes at commentary, please see my tutorials or and the FAQs that will help you out for that. Here is the process speed warning, just ignore it, run the game. And for most cases you might be going with the software mode, so I'm gonna go with that. Just do not go with these other modes, because these are experimental modes and these were very old chipsets, so there are chances that you might run them, and there are also chances that you might not run the graphics in them. So as fail safe in this tutorial, I'm gonna go with the software rendering. So here it is, I'm gonna click it, and now it's gonna launch the CD. Here is the old file. Ignore this thing. If you get the error, just press enter. Press enter again, and here will you see the old Codemaster CD. Just click on. There is a sound that you're gonna see. I'm gonna close the sound for the moment. Here it is. Just make sure that you do the defaults, making skill level to test, and most importantly, graphic details to high, resolution to high, and colors to high. So here we can do. I'm gonna show you a one quick start so that you can see it. Here it is.
Welcome to Pakistan for the friendly match
Here you
between
can go.
Pakistan and
So I'm
Sri
gonna press
Lanka
enter
at
now.
Rawalpindi.
I'm gonna do the tails now. Just see the crowd, just see everything, just see the ambience. It's good. In terms of the 15 years old software, it's still good. And the best thing is that we have optimized the move, so I'm gonna go with the bat.
Saeed Anwar won the toss and elected to bat.
So let me select. I have actually modified it, and yes, you can also modify it. So
Well, the umpires are already making their way out to the middle, so let's have a look at the two lineups. And what are the
just
thoughts
press
on these
enter.
two teams?
If you see the blank
Pakistan,
screen,
they have a tough task ahead of them if they are to get anything from this match. Pakistan are a superb one-day team. Saeed Anwar is
Just
going to
enter
take
again.
the first ball.
so I'm gonna play one ball and then we'll exit it. There you can see the graphics. Everything is playing well. So now I'm gonna go and quit the match. Go back in the menu, and I'm gonna show you a different thing that you might have not heard it before in VLC. It's the team editing. Go into team, just select any team to view, and there you can see this magical thing. This is the editor out there. How you can do that? Just click on there. Here's the player. Just click on the player. Just click here. Just change whatever you do. Just go there and feel free to browse. Press enter something. So I'm gonna just leave that thing on you. You can just configure out anything out here. So thank you everyone for watching the VLC tutorial. I hope you enjoyed a lot.